After plugging in the power, check that the voltage is around 220 volts. 26 volts is also acceptable. This is the speed control and this is the temperature control. When starting the welding process, set the temperature to around 340 到350 degrees. Place the geomembrane on both sides of the machine. Once it's in place, press down the pressure plate. Adjust the speed according to the welding conditions. And finally press the pressure plate down completely. Properly welded material provides excellent waterproofing.